down before you call him a man. How many seas must a white dove sail before she sleeps in the sand? How many times must a cannonball fly before they forever bend? The answer, my friend,